Companies are built on knowledge. Meet Robert. Robert is an analyst in the company. He uses the data derived from IoT sensors for predictive maintenance and timely prediction of potential failures. This lets the company schedule maintenance activities in advance. The company is very happy to improve the efficiency without having a huge team on the shop floor. They decide to add more IoT sensors to the machines. By adding new sensors, data is being collected and streamed to the cloud every second. Most of this data is irrelevant or inconsequential, mostly noise, but is uploaded to the cloud. This increases the cost of storing data. With so many sensors competing for bandwidth, the production plant often witnesses network lags and delays. Robert struggles with the amount of data flowing in. As most of it is irrelevant, he needs to sort out the relevant data. Robert overlooks a diagnosis because he could not filter all of the data in time. He misses key insights because he is overwhelmed with data. Wouldn't it be great if we could filter out the signal from the noise? Use only relevant data and sort the data into relevant channels. This would not only save time, but also reduce the load on the network and cloud. Essenza Corporate Memory enables you to capture expert knowledge and link it to data about events, machines, products, people, and processes, amongst others. Organizations can build an insight and signal layer, virtualizing access to underlying data sources for all their cloud visions. This enables companies to share insights, not just data. Essenza Corporate Memory links this documented expert knowledge with incoming data and uses it to make sure that the right data is saved at the right time. Robert is able to analyze the relevant data, with Essenza Corporate Memory leaving out the irrelevant data, and come up with a valid root cause analysis on time, ensuring that only the relevant knowledge remains in the cloud and in context.
Infuse your data with knowledge. Visit us at Essenza.com.